these new little things arrived today. Okay, look at this. Would you look at this? That, my friends, is a Layle by Mail stamp, acrylic stamping block, okay? Acrylic stamping block. So it is 1.625 inches. So here's the thing. I carried the Lawn Fawn because everybody liked the Lawn Fawn. I got them, we had them, they sold out, and then I couldn't get them anymore. They are like back ordered with no date of when they're coming back. So I took matters into my own hands and said, guess what? I'm gonna have my own made. So there we go. That is 1.625 inches wide, so a nice size for your smaller stamps. It is, I think it's 5/8 if I remember, 5/8 tall. It is laser polished, meaning it's nice and smooth, okay? Nice and smooth, which means your little stamps stick to that, all right? Okay, I don't know which one I'm more excited about, this one or this one. Now, look at this. Yes, Karen, this guy is 1 5/8. Too hard to put 1 5/8 on the website, so I converted it to 1.625. All right, now look at this, friends. Look at this. Now you might think, well, Layle, what's the big deal? You already have this. Look at this. Look at this is the original, the OG. This is the new and improved, okay? New and improved Stylus. Same price, but this is what's awesome about it. The ends are now laser polished, which means now that is like a regular stamp block, so your little stamps will stick really, really, really well. Everybody loved the OG, and I don't even think you'll be able to see this. This one was cut, so there was no way to polish. It was just cut. So here, nice and polished, so stamps stick really well. And it's also kind of been smooth around those edges. The edges are smooth. So they're just not sharp. I mean, that wasn't sharp, but anyhow, so look at that. Same length, 6 inches. This one is a little teeny tiny bit wider, just a little teeny tiny bit wider, which is nice because your little teeny ones still fit there, but now a little bit wider stamp will fit on there as well. So both of those are now in stock. That guy, the 1 5/8, the 1 5/8 acrylic block, and then the, oh my gosh, look at, you could see all the way through that to the bottom. And then the new and improved stamping stylus. Okay, friends, so those are the things that I wanted to show you outside of why I think a lot of you are here tonight.